Bonjour, Frontist welcomes you all. Today I'll share with you some books which helped me a lot in learning French. The first book that I suggest to you is called Dondo Modern French Course. It is written by Monsieur Mathurin Dondo, who was born on March 8, 1884 in Lorient, France. This book first came out in the year 1929 and ever since it has proven itself to be one of the best French books for French learners. This book seems a little bulky, but don't be scared. Initially, even I got worried looking at the number of pages I would be reading. But trust me guys, once you begin to read it, you will yourself realize how easily it explains, and French is so fun to learn. An important thing, students, that you have to make your English grammar really strong and you have to improve your English because good knowledge of English grammar will make your French learning very fast and easy. This book explains French through the English language. It comes in a paperback quality and is of small size, which you can easily carry in your backpacks or purses. Let's now take a quick look at the preface where Monsieur Dondo says that the purpose of this book is to present in simple form the requisite essentials of French grammar and vocabulary and to impart a knowledge of French institutions, customs, history and literature. Next, he introduces us with quick lessons on l'alphabet français, les accents, etc. Then we notice that the book is divided into two parts, and the first part of the book contains basic lesson or lessons, and after every 5 lessons we have combined revision, that is revision, lectures and conversations which are very important to practice. In the deuxième partie, that is the second part, we have next set of lessons which are a level up than the basic lessons. Best thing about this book is that we are provided with English pronunciation with the help of English phonetics almost everywhere in the book, which teaches us how to pronounce the given French words. Let's have a quick look at the lessons. As an example, we have section A called Prononcer, which means pronunciation of given French difficult words. Next comes section B called Lisez, which means let's read. And yes, read loudly. Only then you will be able to speak French properly. Section C is called Étudier, that is to study and learn new difficult words. Section D is Répondez, that is the question answers round. Section E is called Remarquer, which explains you the grammar topic in detail. Lastly, section F is Devoir, which means exercise questions to practice. And finally, Apprenez, which means let's learn something extra. So students, if you take this book seriously and study sincerely, then I can guarantee that your base will become strong in French and you will have no difficulty in studying French further at higher level. This book also comes with an answer key written by M. Ferlin. Check out my description box for more details. Please like, subscribe and share. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.